Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
How
How are
are
you?
you? Good, Vivan. How are you, Akshara? Good to see you. Did I miss you last week?
No, I was there last time.
You were there? Okay. Then did you leave early last week?
Yeah, I told you I had cousins.
Left early. Okay, I see. How was the homework? Did you have any questions, Vivan? What
Um,
did you do the homework? Hey, I
yeah,
didn't
I
get
did the homework. It's just like the Google Docs when I clicked on it, it was like messed up.
You
Like
should not open the PDF in Google Docs.
yeah, I opened it regularly and I did it in my notebook instead.
Yeah, the thing is, Vivan, you should not open the PDF in Google Docs. You're trying to open the PDF in Google Docs. You got it? Meaning, if I give you a PDF file, you cannot open it in Google Docs. Both are not compatible.
Oh.
But a PDF should be printed as PDF. Or you can write on
Oh.
the PDF itself. You
Oh, I
can
was supposed
you
to
can
print
edit the
it.
PDF. Yeah, no, no, no. You are not supposed to do anything. Whatever works for you, you can do. Akshara has something to say. Go ahead, Akshara.
I didn't finish the homework because my cousins came and they had to drop him for the airport.
No
And when I
worries.
came
You
back,
have
it was time.
fun. Summer is also fun, right?
When
As
I
long
came
as you
back, it
catch up
was
with the
when I came back, it was time for class. So I couldn't finish the homework. Is it fine if I do it like another time after this class for homework too?
absolutely, please. Absolutely, but definitely catch up, I would say.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
I finished one test. I need to do the other one. I sent
You okay?
the thing too today. Hi, Miss
I
Priya.
saw your homework, ma, but I saw Akshara, you had submitted your homework, right?
Yeah, I just didn't finish all of it. I'm gonna submit the rest.
Absolutely.
Hi.
Hi, how are you, Neil?
Hi, Miss Priya.
How are you, Neil?
Good. I did? Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah,
one. Uh-huh.
I'm
Go
good.
ahead. Go ahead. What did you want to say?
So my mother thought that you were confused if I did the homework or not.
Yeah, did you do the
Uh,
homework? Did you do the homework?
yes, I sent it to you, but there's something wrong with the. Yeah, I tried. Yeah, I also sent uploaded the file, but it seemed like the upload did not work.
Oh, the upload didn't work. See, everybody is complaining like that. Why? What does it say?
I don't know.
Okay, looks like Naga also
It
had the
didn't
same.
say anything. I just uploaded it.
Okay, I really want to see what you guys see. Can I see what meaning? Would you mind sending me a screenshot of the error message? Would you mind sending me the
Uh,
screenshot of the error message?
something like nothing but the.
What is it now?
I do not see the whole it was looking at Miss Priya.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay.
Give me a
I
minute. I'll just get back.
Yeah, whenever you have time, right? Just let me know what is the problem that you're encountering, and then I'll help you out. Because you see, there is no. Okay, is your Gmail out of storage? Is your Gmail out of storage?
I don't know.
Ask your mom.
Um, Most likely no, because another person has has fully upload has fully has enough things that it can in storage with over 3,700. But on my mom's, it's about like a little more than between 2,000 to 2,500 uploaded. So most likely, no.
Okay, okay, I don't. Okay, if whatever issues you see, just send me a screenshot, guys. I will verify whether it's a problem at my end as well. Because if everybody faces that, then I have to fix. But I don't see a way there is a problem because I just got a big storage. So there's no way that is a problem. Is my thought. I may be wrong, right? So you just let me know. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. I am thinking we're all good with fractions. Yes, ma. Arnav, tell me what's up.
Um, I couldn't finish the homework because my my grandparents came and what's their plan? Oh yeah, my aunt and uncle came and it was really fun. And also I finished most of it, but I just couldn't get to the challenge problems yet.
Okay, I see.
I did all the problems,
Mm-hmm.
and on the last few problems, I just put some random answers because I was really confused.
Okay, what are those? Do you have those problems with you that you're confused? Should I take it and show you? Will you be
I
able to
think I
solve
was
it?
confused on challenging question 15, 16, 17, and 18.
15, can I? Okay, I'll share it with you and you can tell me what it is.
Oh man.
See, the challenge ones I'm not particular that you should do, but if you do, it's great for you. I'm not going to review that in class. The challenge problems, okay? Other than that, I'm thinking you should be able to do things. Let's see. Can I open the challenge in fractions? Let's see. Shall I share my screen? Yes, ma, Akshara, tell me.
I might have to leave a few minutes early because I have to go somewhere at 6:45.
Okay, ma, sure,
This
sure, sure,
USA
sure.
match soccer place.
Sure, sure. Neil, go ahead with your questions, Neil. What is that? Which question? Which questions? Which questions, Neil?
Question 15, 16, 17, 18.
16, 17, 8. This one? Okay, why don't we work that out?
15, 16, 17.
Yeah, 16, 17, definitely we'll work on it. Can I go ahead? The number of books Mr. Jason has is 34 fewer than 3 by 5th of the number of books Mr. Roderick has. They have a total of, okay. Now the thing is, guys, they are discussing two different people. Who are the two different people? One is Jason, one is Roderick, right? I won't want to write stories. I'm not writing English. So I would address them by R and D. Okay, number of books, oh, sorry, Jason, right? So I'll address them by J and D. Okay. Jason has is 34 fewer than what? How do you represent 3 by 5th of the number of books Mr. Roderick has? How do you represent 3 by 5th of the number of books Mr. Roderick has? J and R, right? So can I say he has 34 fewer? So I have to subtract 34 from something. Something means from what I need to subtract. 3/5 of the number of books Mr. Roderick has. Suppose Roderick has R number of books. Okay, then how can I write it for Jason? 3/5 of Roderick minus 34. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Can I say that? Now they have a total of 2566. How do I write it? They have a total of 2566 means how do I write it? What should I do? R plus,
Okay.
what is it?
This.
Yeah, 3/5 of R plus minus 34 will be equal to 2566. Correct?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do you see it?
Not really.
So the answer is 2,566.
Yep. Add 34. What happens?
You would get
2600. What is 2600? What is R plus 3 by 5 R? One whole R plus 3 by 5 R is what? How
on
many
whole
R's? One whole plus 3 by 5 R.
2, 3 by 5 R.
Yeah, what is it? Meaning as an improper fraction?
So it is 13/5 of R.
What is it?
13/5 of R.
35ths of R? What is it? 35ths of R. One whole R plus 3 by
13.
5 R.
Oh, 8, not 13.
8 by 5 R. Did you get that? Let's see. How many
Yeah.
of you didn't get it? I'll go over it slowly. Okay, 8 by 5 R is equal to 2600, right? How can I find my R? 8 by 5 R is 2600. Means can I multiply by 5 by 8 on both sides? If I multiply by 5 by 8, if I multiply by the reciprocal on both sides, what happens? R will be equal to 2600 times 5 by 8, correct? So you got the value of R. Now you can find J. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Let me see. 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 is are 16, 5, 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 is are 10, 12, 1 5 3s are 15, 16, 1625. 1625 is the number of books that R has. Then how much will J have? How to calculate the number of books that J will have? 2566 minus 1625. Abhiram, were you with me when I did that?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Did you understand what I said?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So basically, I'm trying to solve using what? Equations. Okay. We have done some groundwork last year. Okay, guys. So if you want to do these problems, right, you have to be able to express it as expressions and equations, meaning in terms of variables. We did do some groundwork last year to write it out as variables, if I'm right. Correct?
Yeah. Next is question 17.
No. Let's go ahead and do this again once more so that things are very clear. The number of books Jason has is 34 fewer. We can't write all this, okay? So first let me understand the number of books. I need to define my letters. Books Roderick has. Number of books Roderick has will be equal to R. How do I write the number of books Jason has? Who can tell me the expression? 34
J.
fewer than 3 by 5th Roderick has. How do you write it? Of means multiply. 3 by 5 of the number of books Roderick has. Number of books Roderick has is R. So 3 by 5 times R. But 34 fewer than that. How do you express that? 34 fewer than that means what?
34 fewer than that.
How do you write it?
34 subtracted by
Okay, so
34 subtracted from what?
R.
R. No. 34 fewer than 3 by 5 of the number of books.
I got a complex equation.
How do you write 34 fewer than 3 by 5 of the number of books Roderick has? What is 3 by 5 of the number of books Roderick has? How to write that first?
Okay.
How do you write 3 by 5th of the number of books Roderick has?
This equation is a complex.
3 by 5 of R.
R. Good job. 3 by 5 of R.
I
Then
got a
you
different
subtract the
equation.
34. Neil, are you listening?
Yeah, I got a different equation.
What equation did you get?
R minus 2/5
Go ahead.
minus 34.
What is it, Neil?
R minus 2. So here is it. R minus 2/5 plus 34. So for subtracting, since 1 more minus 2. R minus
Neil, you
2.
have to be clear. Tell
Oh,
me.
R minus 2.
Why did you get this one? R minus 2 by 5.
Okay, so basically I mean R minus 2/5 of R.
Oh, you meant R minus 2/5 of R?
Yep, minus 34.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. That's correct. R minus 2/5 of R minus 34 is, is correct. So that is for J, right?
Yep.
So now you can add all of them together and equate it to 2566, right?
Yep.
Can I combine R minus 2 by 5 R? Can I write it out as 3 by 5 R? 1
Yeah,
whole
sure.
minus, can I write?
No, you would have to put R as a whole number.
See, ma. Okay, let me show you. R minus 1 by 2 R is how much? This is 1 R minus 1 by 2 R is how much? 1 whole R
1.
minus half R is half R, right?
Yeah.
So similarly, 1 R minus 3 by 4 R is how much? How much? 1 whole minus 3 by 4, that's all.
1
What
whole
is,
minus 3 by 4, 1
Ah,
fourth of
is
r.
1/4 r. You see,
Yep,
does that make sense, guys? You're just doing fraction subtraction, but then including the variable. Does it make sense?
yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'm saying is
Mm.
we got an equation. His equation and my equation are one and the same. So we have j equal to 3 by 5 r minus 34. Now I have to add this with this. 3 by 5 r minus 34 plus r will be equal to 2566. How do we solve this? Such a complex equation. I have to add the like terms. How do I add 3 by 5 r plus 1 r? What is 1 plus 3 by 5?
8 by 5 or
8 by 5 r. I can put it out as 8 by 5 r minus 34 equal to 2566. Now what do? I need to remove. See, only this I don't know. So don't touch that. Other than that, remove everything from that side. Add whatever is minus 34 is here. So add a 34, add a 34. You got? So you got 2600 equal to 8 by 5 r. But I want only one whole r. I don't want 8 by 5 r. What do I do then?
and
You
so
would
you find
divide it by 8.
Exactly,
divided by
divide by 8 by 5 or multiply by the reciprocal, right? When I multiply by 5 by 8, it makes it easier. When I multiply by 5 by 8, it becomes r on one side. So r will be equal to 2600 times 5 by 8.
Okay, speaking of which, can you do another? Can you send me a? Can you show us a fraction multiplication?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do this one as well. Now you're going to design your own variables, okay? We should start writing it in variables, guys. At some point, I really want you to be able to write out the variables. Rod P, okay, who's going to tell me with, who's going to help me with this? We are talking about P and Q, okay? P means rod P, Q means rod Q. How to write P and Q? Akshara, tell me. Abhiram, tell me. Rod P is 6 centimeter longer than Q. How to write?
For R and for P, you would put 6 plus 3/5 Q.
Wait. We are not going to confuse Abhiram. I read the first sentence. Rod P is 6 centimeter longer than Q. What to write? Just
6
to convert the first line.
6 plus Q.
Which one?
6 plus Q.
What is 6 plus Q?
Rod P.
P equal to 6 plus Q. Good job. What next? 3 by 5 of Q. How to write that? Of means multiply, I told you. 3 by 5, how to write that?
3 by 5 times Q
Q is equal to, right?
is equal to
Half of
1
rod P.
half P.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, Vivan, I want you to continue. What do I do now? What is the length of Q? I need to find out Q. How do I do
I
that?
was trying to say earlier that from like question 14 and below, I was kind of confused.
Okay. No problem. You can just come along with us.
Okay.
Neil, can you say what do I do? I have two equations now. Equations means what are equations? They'll have the equal to sign in them. They will have a left side, right side. Right?
Yeah.
Neil, now how do I solve? I need to find out Q. How do I find out Q?
So you need to find out what number plus 6 would equal a number that would be 1/2 of the number of the sum.
True, Neil. Okay, wait. Neil, I really want you to make use of the equations and do. So I have these two equations. I need to find out Q. How do I find out Q? Can I plug in something?
Okay, I'm
3
confused.
by 5, see, 3 by 5 Q is half P means how to find out what is Q? What can I multiply this with to find out Q?
I honestly
How
have
do I
no
get this cancelled? How do I cancel 3 by 5? Multiply by
5 by 3.
5 by 3 on both sides. Good job. Multiply by 5 by 3 on both sides. So what happens? I got a Q. See? Q will be equal to 5P, 5 by 6P. Did you get it? 5 times 1, 3 times 2. Now you get it. See? What should I do now? But you know. What do you know? Q will be equal to, can you plug this into here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
So
that's
then
it. So
Q
P
would
will
be
be
equal
equal
to
to 6
30.
plus 5 by 6P.
And
Go ahead.
that will be equal to 36.
What is it? That's right. How did
And
you find?
Q
Wait,
is
wait,
20.
wait, wait. How did you find, Neil? How did you find? That is right, but I
But
want to know how you found.
so using these equations on the board, since Q is 5/6 of P, you'd be able to add 6 as 5/6 of P. And since 6 is 1/6 of P, basically just since 1/6 plus 5/6 equal 1 whole, it's basically just 1 P. So that equals 36.
Okay, good job. Let me go ahead and explain, Neil. Okay. So let's
Also,
go. Neil,
because
let
of
me go
this,
ahead and explain. P is equal to 6 plus 5 by 6P. Right? Now, I want to bring all the p's together. I want to bring all the p's together. How do I bring it? There is, if you see addition, you subtract. So that becomes, that nullifies, that becomes 0. So minus 5 by 6p on both sides. We have done the groundwork last year. So P minus 5 by 6P will be equal to, see, plus 5 by 6P and minus 5 by 6P. Remember, we did minus M plus M. What happens to them? They will get cancelled. They'll become 0, right? Minus 2M plus 2M. They'll become 0, right? So plus 5 by 6P and minus 5 by 6P becomes 0. So this becomes P minus 5 by 6P will be equal to 6. What is 1p minus 5 by 6p? Who can tell what is 1p minus 5 by 6p? Hmm? What is 1? Huh?
1P minus 5 by 6P is 6.
1 whole p minus 5 by 6p is what?
6.
Hmm?
6.
6. 1 whole
1
p.
by 6p.
1 by 6p. Good job. 1 by 6p equal to 6. Neil, your answer was right. But I want you to explain. P will be equal to 36. Does it make
Also,
sense?
yeah, if you find P, you can find Q. So it's basically just 5/6 of 36. 1/6 of 36 is 6, and 5/6 of 36
I agree,
is
Neil.
basically just 6, 36 minus 6, which
I
equals
agree.
Q.
I agree. Your answer was right though. P will be equal to 36. So from P equal to 36, then what is Q? Abhiram, guess. If P is 36, what is Q?
Q is 30.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, now let me get into easier problems maybe, but I want you to be able to write. Okay, let's see this one.
Okay.
Let's see this one. Okay. Who's going to help me with writing the equation? 2/3 of Eddie's books. Eddie's book is E. Okay, Linda's book is L. What do I do now? Yes, Abhiram wants to say, but Vivan, Arnav, I want you to try as well. Lakshanya logged in, right? One second,
Yeah.
ma. Lakshanya, you keeping so quiet? Others are all talking. Go ahead. Lakshanya, you want to try before Abhiram tries? Go ahead.
Um,
2/3
like
of
the
Eddie's
first part,
book. Go ahead.
E,
Hmm.
like 2/3 E
Good.
equals
Is equal to
3/7
good.
L.
L. Good. Okay, the next one. Linda has 15 more books than Eddie. How to write that?
Um,
Who has more? You tell me. Who has more?
Linda.
Linda has more. So I can say Linda will be equal to what?
Eddie plus 15.
Yeah, you see, you're framing good equations. Oh, that's it. Now we need to use these to find out what is E and L. How to find out? I don't have L or E to substitute. I need to know what is L or E. So can I find L or E from this? How to find out, Abhiram? You tell me. 2 by 3 E I have, right, Abhiram?
Yeah.
I have 2 by 3 E will be equal to 3 by 7 L. How to find out E? What should I do? I want to remove this 2 by 3. So what should I do? I want to make it 1.
3 by 2.
What will you do with 3 by 2?
Multiply it.
Multiply with 3 by 2. That becomes 1. So the same thing you need to do on this side because it's an equation. It's like a pan balance. Remember the pan balance we did last year? Equations are like pan balances, right? So what you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So when you multiply, this gets cancelled. This becomes E will be equal to what? What? Multiply and tell me the answer. 9 by?
9 by 14.
9 by 14 L. So can I plug that in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so L will be equal to 9 by 14 L plus 15. How to find it now? Move all your L's to one side. L is here, L is here. So how do I remove one from? I need to remove that L from the
You
other
change
side.
the equation.
Huh?
So the addition would turn to subtraction, and you would bring
Exactly.
L.
The addition will change to subtraction. So how? Can I subtract 9 by 14 L on both sides? I need to do the same thing on both sides I told you, right? So L minus 9 by 14 L, this becomes 0, will be equal to 15. Now what is the answer? Neil, try. Abhiram, try. Lakshanya, try. Arnav, if you know, definitely give me the answer. Vivan, you can as well voice out. Tell me. How to find out? 1 whole L minus 19 by 4L is what?
You would add 15 to 15, which equals 30, and then you would add another 15, which equals 40.
Wait. I don't want to add 15 to 15. I want to simplify this. See, I want to combine these two. 1 whole L minus 9 by 4L is what? 1 whole L minus 9 by 4.
5,
Exactly, 514L. See, this is 1 whole means 14 by 14L, right? 14 minus 9 is 5. Did you guys get it? 1 whole means you can put it as 14 by 14. So that will be equal to 15. Now what do I do? How to find out my L value? I've already told you how to find out L values in this case. What to do?
You do the you multiply by the reciprocal.
Exactly. Multiply the reciprocal. 14 by 5. That's so easy. Now L is equal to 3 times 14. That's it. 30 plus 12 is 42. L is equal to 42. Once you find out L, everything is easy. L is 42. So E is what? What is E? Neil? Neil, you're not doing anything, I think. Arnav, I do not want you to be browsing something else. If you do that, it doesn't work, Arnav.
No, something happened on my screen. It happened again.
If you switch, I will know from here. It's so easy. It's not
Something
hard for
happened
me
on
to
my
see.
screen.
Okay, so what is E then? You tell me, Arnav.
E,
Hmm. Akshara, can you tell me what is E? Yes, Vivan. Go ahead.
9/14 L.
See, Arnav, you were not listening. Vivan, go ahead. What is E?
Is it 42 minus 15?
Good job, Ma. That's perfect. E will be equal to 42 minus 15. Very nice. See, Vivan, you will fall into the groove. Okay, I know that you were not there, so I'll take it slow with you. Don't worry. Okay. Did you guys get it? So this is how you do these problems. The last few problems are hard. I tried giving it to you. Okay, now can we go ahead? See, there's also another way to do this. But
Wait a
guys, I
minute.
really want you to get equations. There is
Was
also
that
another
right?
way to do this, very frank with you. Huh?
Was it right? Also, I used a different way than what you were doing on the board.
You use a different way. Let me see what you did. Oh, they have in total, Amma.
Yeah,
Okay,
I did.
I don't remember. 42 minutes. Oh, let me check and tell you. 15. 42 minus 15 is what? Wait. Let me check and tell you. No, Neil, it's not 195. I am getting 69.
Wait a minute. What?
Can you show me how you did, Neil?
So first I just wrote the fractions.
Tell me the fraction. You have to be very clear, sharp, Neil. Go ahead and tell.
So 2
What
thirds,
equation did you write?
3, 7. 2 thirds equals 3 sevenths. In this case, 1/3 would equal 3/4.
Neil, hold on. 2/3 cannot be equal to 3/7. 2/3 of what is equal to 3/7?
2/3 of Eddie's books equals 3/7 of Linda's books.
Okay, of Linda's book. Okay, then
2/3. So also 2/3. So because of this, 1/3 of Linda's books would equal 1/3 of
Neil,
I
go ahead
see
and
it.
explain correctly. Go ahead.
I see my mistake.
You see your mistake. So now how to find out Eddie? Multiply by 3 by 2. The reciprocal of that. So you get the same thing this side. So
Okay,
Eddie will be
so
equal to 9 by 14 L. You got it?
I'll also just tell you like how I used it.
Okay, now how did you use it in the next equation? Linda will be equal to 15 plus E. How did you use it?
Linda would I thought it was like 1/7 greater.
Which is 1/7?
I thought he was 6/7 of Linda.
That is what is incorrect, right? How did you get that?
Oh, I mean Linda was 7th of and Eddie. So
Eddie was 9/14 of Linda, right?
just when I was doing 2/3 of E, I should
Neil,
have
I
done
really want you to follow this, Neil. Here, 2 by 3, to remove the 2 by 3, you multiply by the reciprocal. Did you do that?
Yeah, so first I just found out 2/3 of E of 2/3 3/7. So as you can see, I found out 1/3 of 3/7 would be 3/14.
1/3 of
3/7
uh,
would be.
is what?
In this equation, 2/3.
No, that's wrong. Hey, Neil, how did you get this? 1/3 of 3 by 7 L. How did you get that? Then this should be 2/9 of E. What did you do to this equation?
No, I mean 1/3 will equal 3/14.
Yeah, 1E is equal. What is it?
I found out 1/3 of E. 1/3 of E would equal 3/14 of Linda.
I agree, 3/14 of Linda, but I want.
Then I should have multiplied it by 3 to get 9.
That's good. Yes, when you multiply by 3, that's what I said. E will be equal to 9/14 L, correct?
Yes.
Good. Then can you plug that into here and solve?
So 9/14 L equals 15 plus 9/14. Then
9/14 L plus 15 equal to L. Then what did you do?
okay, so 1/14 of L is 5.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job. That's right. Good job. That's right. Okay, so you can find out L and E. I'll leave it to you. Okay. If the equation framing was tough on you, that's absolutely fine. We will slow down some of the problems as well and do. You can skip these. Makes sense, but I would really want you guys to be able to write these equations and solve for both the variables. Got it?
Okay, here's my mistake. I thought that 3/3 of Eddie's books equal 6/7 of Linda's book.
Oh, okay. So you got the
I should
mistake
have
now?
got 9/14.
You multiplied it wrongly on both sides, right?
Yep.
Yep. Akshara,
Is
where
it
are you, ma?
4/3?
Akshara, I'm listening to you. Go ahead, ma.
I was wondering when class ends, because doesn't class start at 5:45?
Yeah, ma. It ends at 6:45, ma. Let's move on, ma. Okay, guys, I'm not going to deal with this. Okay, the rest of the problems, if you have done, I'm fine. Okay. Let me go ahead, and I want to do something else today because we keep on dwelling on fraction, fraction, fraction. But basic fractions, if you're good, I'm fine. Okay. Let's go here. But on and off, I'll come up with these equations and make you do with those equations. Okay. But as long as you cope, it's great. Okay. It does not matter if it is too tough on you. We will be there again and again, on and off. Okay. So what did I want to do today was, let me see. I'm so confused. Wait. Yeah, I have it here. Good. 1 second, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay. How good are you with, what is this number? Let's see. Have you come across decimals in 4th grade? You have all come across decimals in 4th grade, right, guys?
No.
What? No.
Yeah, I
Zero,
really haven't. And
1.
like our school, I guess, is like kind of behind. So yeah.
Okay, what is the place value of this? What is the place value of the number, of the digit? Vivan, you tell me, Vivan. What is the place value of the digit? Arnav, what is the place value of this digit? Akshara, what is the place value of
10.
this? How do you spell it?
What can we do 3D shapes?
We can't do 3D shapes now, Neil, please. Arnav, tell me. Arnav, Vivan, Akshara, tell me what are the place values of these?
Tenths. TENTHS.
Thanks, Arnav. Go ahead, Akshara. What is this?
2 is ones.
Is it ones?
No, wait. No, hundreds.
Good. Ma, we have, ma.
HUNDERETHS.
What is that, Vivan? This one.
Thousands.
Thousands. THOUSANDTHS. Now, how do you express this? Okay, let's say 0.5 I have. How many of you know how to express it as a fraction?
1/2.
Abhiram, what is a fraction? This is
0.1/2.
1/2.
I want you to
5.10.
5
5.
5 tenths,
5.
right? Suppose if I
Yeah.
write 0.05, what is the fraction, Vivan?
5/100ths.
5 hundredths. Good job. Suppose if I ask you 0.125, Akshara, what is the fraction?
Is it 125 by 1000?
Yes. Okay, guys, you're all very good with this. But I want you always to simplify and let me know your answer. Don't give me unsimplified answers. That is my request. Okay. Now, can I move on now? Okay, how about this? 4 1/2. What is the decimal equivalent?
The main tab.
What is the decimal equivalent?
4.50.
Yeah, the half can be 0.5. So 4 wholes and then a 0.5. Any questions here?
No.
Okay, no. Good job. Now let's move on. 1 second, guys. I really want to cover this. 1 second. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and ask you, what is this? Would you be able to answer this one for me? What is this? 110, 5 tens, 7 hundreds, and 8 thousands. What is this number?
Okay, so let me all type it in chat because
You can answer in chat or shout out as well. Let's discuss first, okay? If you want to answer in chat, answer so that I will know who knows. Akshara, tell me, ma. You can shout out. Yes, Lakshanya, that's right.
Should I write it on the board or should I shut up?
It's okay, ma. Go ahead, Akshara. You can tell me. Yes, Abhiram, correct.
Miss
Vivan, are you
Priya,
answering in chat? Yeah.
It's
Priya didn't type anything.
I got Lakshanya's answer. Neil, can you type for me?
Miss Priya, I didn't type
I-
anything.
I typed it.
I got Vivan's answer. Okay. Okay.
I said my
Lakshanya, I got your story. Okay. I got the entire story of what happened. Where did you travel? That's great. Okay. Now I want you to write this number as a decimal. Abhiram, do you know how to write it as a decimal? Abhiram, I'm so impressed. You're so much listening these days, right, Abhiram?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. So go ahead and tell what is this number? 1, 10, 5, 10, 700s and 8,000s.
10.578.
Yeah, 10.578. So you're all good with the basics, right? So let's try this one. How about this? If I give you this, do you know how to add them together? We have done a lot of decimals, okay? I'm going to move. Yes, Neil, I got your answer, okay? You know, how to add this together? Yes, Vivan, go ahead.
When I in my school, I learned into just adding and subtracting, not multiplying.
So don't worry about it. We'll learn now.
Okay.
Go ahead. How to add them together?
Can I answer?
Let him answer. I'll give you the turn. Don't worry at all. Go ahead, Vivan. Abhiram, go ahead and tell me this. How do you add this? What is the answer to this, Abhiram?
3.875.
Good job. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to align your decimal here, 0.8. If you don't have anything to fill in with zeros. Now add them together, 3.875. Vivan, you did not tell me the answer to this.
Miss Priya, can I see the answer?
Absolutely, I'll give you one more problem. How about this? 0.0625 plus 8.7. What is the answer, ma?
The answer is
Vivan, you're going to say for this. Lakshanya is going to say for this.
Yeah, the answer is 14 plus 375.
14? Okay, good. 14 plus 0.375. Good job. How about this, Lakshanya? I'm waiting for you.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I answered all three.
Yes, I saw. Thank you, Arnav. I really like that, Arnav. Instead of you doing something else, sending the answer to this one really made sense to me. But do you see what Lakshanya is doing? Did you answer that question? Lakshanya, did you get the answer, ma?
No, not yet.
Neil? Yes, Neil, that's right. So why don't I do this, Lakshanya? 8.7. Can I align this? 0.0625. I have 3 empty spaces. Put zeros there. Can I add them? 8.7625. Lakshanya, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Align the decimal point first. Okay. And how about this? What is this number, guys? I want everybody in chat, please, now. I want everybody to do it in chat quickly. This is an easy one. Go ahead.
Okay. A minute.
If you can do it fast, then we can move on and do a little bit more than I wanted to. Yeah, Abhiram, that's correct. Yeah, Lakshanya, that's correct. Yeah, Vivan, that's correct. Arnav, that's correct. Neil, perfectly right. Okay, let's move on, guys. How about this? In the number 31.869, what is the digit in the hundreds place? I will ask now. Lakshanya, go ahead and answer, ma. You're okay, Lakshanya?
Yeah, sorry. I just got something in my eye.
Okay.
The digit in the hundreds place is 6.
Good job. What the value of the digit 3 is what, Neil? What is the value of the digit 3?
The value of the digit 3 is 30.
Good job. 30. Okay. Vivan, what is the value of digit 9? Akshara, the digit in the tens place.
It's thousands.
Akshara, the digit in the tens place. Vivan, value of the digit 9 is what?
Thousands.
Amma, please. Value is different from place value. Value is different from place value. Place value is the thousands. Value is what? The value of this digit is 9,000s. You got it?
Okay.
Akshara, digit in the tens place is what? Akshara, are you here with me?
Yeah.
What is the digit in the tens place?
The tenth place is 8.
Good job. Abhiram, value of 6. Digit 6. What is the value of digit 6, Abhiram?
0.06.
Good job. 0.06, or I can write it out as 600s. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, quick. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this one. What is this number? What is this number? What is this number? 5.7 plus 33 by 100 plus 61 by 1000. What is this number? You can send it to me quickly. Let's see who sends it first.
Okay.
Quickly, if you send it, I'll give you a heart. Not really, Arnav. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Arnav, you are right, I think. Let's see. Is it right or no? I doubt.
I am very
I think it's
confused.
right because 5.7 plus
Okay.
33 is
Arnav, explain to us on the board. You're the teacher now. Go ahead and try.
okay. So basically, what I think there's 5.7, right? Is 33 plus 100, by hundreds, right? So, so 0.3, as we all know, is like 0.3. So that brings us to 6, and there's 3 left over.
1 minute, Arnav. You're going to write it on the board. So
Uh,
5.7 is there. And
yeah,
what else you have? 33 hundreds. How do you represent that?
3.
0.33.
Yeah. Well,
Then
I'm only gonna use the 3 in this part of the thing. So that brings if you put 5.7 plus 0.3, that's 6. And after there's still 3 remaining, but we can do that later. After
but
this,
see, that's where you're getting confused. It's 6 and 300s remaining, not
oh
10s. You got it?
yeah.
See,
It was
that's why when you do
1,000.
that, you need to be careful about what you're dealing with. When you do that, you tend to forget. You see, you are adding this. I knew what you did. You're adding this, and then you're taking this as 3 10s. 300s is remaining, right? Or now? Okay, then let's go ahead and do 61,000. How do you represent Akshara? 61,000 is what? 0 point?
0 point
See,
0.
61,000 means there should be 3 digits. I have to put the
It's 0.6.
061. Good job. Now, when you add everything, what happens? 6.091. The number is 6.091. Vivan, did you get it?
the bathroom.
Yeah, I sent
Yes.
my answer.
Answer, Rama. Okay, I did not check.
A
Thank you,
minute.
Vivan.
Did you say yes? We're going to the bathroom.
Yes, please. Please go, come back quickly. Abhiram, correct. Yeah. Neil, you did a mistake there. 6.694. No. That's
Oh,
okay. Yeah, that's okay. But as long as you understand, I'm fine. Go and come back. I'll wait. Let's move on, guys, here. How about this? Okay. Let's see this one. We are going to arrange these. We are going to arrange these in ascending order. What is ascending order, guys? What is ascending
Low
order?
to high,
Low to high. What is descending order?
high to low.
Okay, here, Abhiram, you're going to help me. So, some are decimals, some are fractions. It's so difficult for me to compare, right? I prefer putting everything as a decimal. This is 3.375. What is this? How to convert it to a decimal? 2 point what? What is 2 by 3? What is 2 by 3? 2 divided by 3. What is a decimal? How many 3's go in 2?
0.
0. 3 times 0 is a 0. You have 2 remaining. I put a 0. When I put a 0 from my brain, I add a dot here. How many 3's go in 20? 6. 18. Again 2 0. 0.666. It keeps on repeating because 20 keeps on repeating, right? So you can write that as 2.6. When something repeats, right, I can stop here and put a dash on top. That means that 6 keeps on repeating.
That's
Vivan,
what
are
I
you following? Now, what is this 3, 4 by 9? Who is going to assist me? Lakshanya, what is 3, 4 by 9 as a decimal? I know it is 3 point, but 4 by 9 is what? 4 divided by 9, right?
Yeah,
How do I write it as a decimal? How many 9s in 4?
0.
9 zeros are 0, 4 remaining 40. Then what? When I put a 0 from my brain, I put a dot in here.
9 goes 4 times into 40.
The 4 keeps on repeating. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So how can I write that? It's 0.4 repeating, right? Here you already have a 3. The 4 by 9 is 4 repeating. I can write it like this. Good job, Abhiram. Now, which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number, Abhiram? Uh-huh.
This number would be 2 by 6 because
2,
it's the
2,
one
2
with
by 3. Please say this. 2, 2 by 3. The next one is what? Yes, Akshara. What is the next one?
The next one is 3 4 by 9.
3,
Wait,
4.
no.
No, it would be 3.375.
Yeah, 3.2.
Exactly. 375. The next one is what?
3 4 by 9.
Yeah. And then the last one is 3.75.
Yes, this is how you arrange in ascending order. Now let's see this one, guys. 1.999999, 2.05. Which is bigger? Vivan, which is bigger?
2.
Vivan, which is bigger?
2.05.
2.05 is bigger. How do you compare? You start comparing from the left. Since this itself is greater, you will say this is greater. Now, if I give you 1.9, 1.099999 and you have 1.905, which is bigger, Akshara?
1 point.
Sometimes, in decimals, right? If I'm getting confused, I want to make the number of digits after the decimal place the same. There are 6 here. There are only 3 here. Okay, after the decimal, if you're lagging digits, right? You lag 3 more, right? Put zeros there. Then you compare. Which is bigger?
1.90.
Exactly. 1.905 is much bigger than 1.099999. Make sense, guys? Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go ahead and try this one.
Yeah, I have to go.
Okay, Ma, you can go.
Okay, bye.
Now, bye, Ma. How do you round this number to the nearest whole number? How do you round this to the nearest whole number? How do you round this to the nearest whole number? Neil, now you can help. You're back, right? Do you know how to
Okay.
round this to the nearest whole number?
Yeah.
How?
So so first you have to find the digit
Hmm.
that is before the
Hmm.
base that you're rounding to. The base that we're rounding to is 1 or whole number.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to have the 10. It depends, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll round it down, meaning that the ones place would just remain the same. But if it's like the other numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9,
Mm.
you can round it up and change this by 1.
Okay, so you are going to round to the nearest whole number. Means the way, how do? We underline where we need to round to, but circle the digit soon after that. The circle digit, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then what do? You go back, increment this number, put a dot, and then what? Or everything becomes a 0 after that. Now, 21.47. How do you round it to the nearest whole number, Vivan?
It gets rounded to 20.
It gets rounded to
20.
y. Let's find out. 21.47. I want to round it to the nearest whole number, right? So I want to round it to this one. Okay, I don't want anything after the decimal place. So you circle the next digit. Yeah, go ahead, Viram.
So since 4 is less than 5,
Mm-hmm.
you would keep the number after the
You will keep the
dot
underlined digit. Keep the underlined digit the same.
and then turn everything after it into a 0.
Did you get it, Vivan? It becomes 21, not 20, Vivan. You don't go down. You got it? Okay. Now, Lakshanya, I want you to explain this. How can you round it to one decimal place? How can you round this to one decimal place, Lakshanya? Round this to one decimal place. Round to one decimal place. Can you do that? So let me underline that. One decimal place means this and circle the next digit. What happens?
Round it to 33.
Lakshanya, listen. Round to one decimal place means I need to have one digit after the decimal. So I underlined this digit 9. I circled 7. If the circled digit is 5 or greater, what do?
You round up.
You round up. So 9 has to go up to what? It'll become a 10, right?
Yes.
But I can't put the 10 there. I'll put the 0 and carry over the 1. What happens?
33.
Becomes 33.0. See, once after the underlined digit, nothing should come. Basically, it should be all zeros.
Okay.
Since 0 after the decimal does not carry value, 33.0. It is rounded to one decimal place. Did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do more of this. I feel like it's not there. Okay, 0.56 rounded to one decimal place. 0.56 rounded to one decimal place. Arnav, can you do that? Round to one decimal place.
Onto one decimal place.
Yeah,
That'd be 1.
that
Oh,
one
with
decimal place.
0.56 rounded,
Uh,
right?
I want to
That'd
round
be,
it to one decimal place.
that'd be 1.
How? One decimal place means which line, which one are you underlining? Did you underline the digit you have to round to? This is the digit you
Yeah.
have to stop at.
Oh, so you have to round to
Please do
a
what the
point.
process. So what it should round to?
0.6.
0.6. Good job. Please do underline. That's for you not to make mistakes. Round to 1 decimal place. Who's going to tell me this? Round to 1 decimal place.
Rachel?
Yeah, please.
No, the decimal place.
Hmm.
Which
Which
one?
one should you underline this, circle the next digit. What happens?
It's a 0. So leave. So leave
1
it.
point.
1.900.
Good job. 1.9. Round to 1 decimal place. 1.9. Because it's a 0, you just write the previous digit as it is. 1.9. Make sense? Okay. Now let's go ahead. Okay. How about this? Round these two to 2 decimal places. Let's see. Round these two to 2 decimal places. Who's going to help me? Wait. Lakshanya and Abhiram, can you help me? Or Vivan, I'll ask you next. Go ahead. Lakshanya, go ahead. Round to 2 decimal places means this is my ending digit, right? So I'll underline that, circle the next digit. What should I do?
So, since the circle digit is a 5 or above, you would add 1 to the underlined digit. And
Correct.
since that equals 10, you would put a 0 and add 1. But then since that also equals 10, you would add 1 into the ones place, which equals 41.
41.00. That is 2 decimal places rounding. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Vivan wants to answer. Lakshanya, I would really want you to get this. 99.969. Can you round to 2 decimal places?
I actually
1 minute,
we
Maviva.
circle the
Go ahead.
we circle the 9 and we underline the 6.
Round to 2 decimal places means where should you stop? 2 decimal places. This is the first decimal place. This is the second decimal place, right? So which one should you underline?
6.
6. Which one will you circle?
Then 9.
9. So what will happen now?
So since the 9 is above 5, we're going to put a 1 to the next decimal place, which makes it 99.9.
9. Sharp. Okay. Maybe. How about this? Last one, we'll do this one. Okay. Do you know how to do this? Approximately 19 divided by 8 to 2 decimal places. Can you tell me what is 19 divided by 8 to 2 decimal places? Okay, let me wait. All of you can give it in chat. Once you give, you can leave. If you don't know as well, you can let me know. Vivan, do it and send it in chat. I really want to know how many of you know, how many of you don't know. Go ahead, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I don't really understand what this means.
Okay. You're going to divide 19 by 8.
And then
Know how
round
to
it
divide by
2
19 divided by 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want you to express it as a decimal to 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places.
I don't know how to do this.
No.
Oh, wait, never mind.
You know? If
Wait.
you have done Beast 4, you know.
Did you turn on the video?
Vivan, do you know? If you don't know, just say you don't know, guys. I'll just continue next week, but I want to know.
Yeah, I don't really
Wait,
understand.
are you dividing into the decimals or is it just 8 divided by 19?
Uh-oh, this is not 8 divided by 19. Whatever is inside, you'll say first. 19 divided by 8. You know how you do? How many 8s are in? Neil, did you get the answer?
Wait, I'm just trying to type in my answer.
What is 19 divided by 8? Two decimal. Huh?
No, actually I'm trying to type in my answer and write it and type in it the complex
I don't
way,
really understand.
No
which
problem.
is mathematical
You're not
simple.
expected to know.
I'm also
Vivan,
explaining it.
what is that? You messed up with what, Vivan?
I don't really understand this one.
Which one?
The question.
This one, 19 divided by 8?
Miss Priya, I'm done.
1 minute, ma. Vivan, did you understand this?
Yeah, I think I understood it.
Leave it. I'm not bothered about this. You don't know, that's fine. We'll continue next week. No problem at all. 19 divided by 8, I will
I don't
continue next week.
understand.
But I want to know, Lakshanya, did you say the answer?
No.
Yeah, you're right, right?
So,
You have gotten it, right?
I got
Yeah.
the I actually
Yeah,
sent
Can
that
I
you got
to
it. But Lakshanya, you can stop in 2 decimal places. You got it? When you get 2 decimals, 2 digits after the decimal, you can stop. But your answer is right.
Okay.
Yeah.
send the real
Oh,
answer.
wow, Neil, I like the way you have done.
I
So what is the
sent
answer, Neil? What is the answer?
I put 2.375.
Bye, Miss Priya.
1 second.
Isn't
Ma.
it 2.3765? Miss Priya?
Wow. Okay, let me show you. Let me show Abhiram and Neil. Guys, you're good. Let's see. Okay, whoever follows can follow. I'll deal with it next week. How many 8s in 19? 2, 16. Please listen. If you want, listen and then go. You can. Otherwise, we'll see next week. So, 3 remaining. Now, I put a 0 from my brain, right? So, I put a dot here. Now, I ask the same question. How many 8s in 30? 24. You have a remainder of 6. I again put a 0 from my brain, but I can't put another dot. Instead, I ask the question, how many 8s in 60? How many 8s in 60? 7, right? 56, 40, right? Now 8 5s are 2.375. Did you get that?
Yeah, just did it. Basically,
Abhiram, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
that's the rounded answer. The real answer is 2.375.
Yeah, 2.375. Your answer was right, I said, right, Neil?
Yep.
Yep. But I like the way you did. Okay, this is the generic way of doing. You can follow your way, Neil.
Yep.
Okay, guys. I'll do this next week. 100% I'll do this for the class next week. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Bye, guys. You did a great work today, though.
Bye.
Yeah, there are some
Bye.
variables, decimals we got started. So I'll give you basic work in decimals. Bye. Have a
Bye.
nice week ahead. Happy summer. Hi, guys. How are you all? Think I got few minutes today.
Good.
Good. Vikasni.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Vikas. I'm new to the class.
Very much. That's okay. So nice of you to introduce yourself, Vikasni. Welcome. One second, guys. Okay. Vikasni, I know you're new, so don't worry. How was the homework, guys? Satvika, you're not doing the homework, right, ma, in this class?
Yeah.
I know. Okay, I'll leave it now. Okay, Ananya, how's the Ananya, one request, ma. Are you doing it in paper, separate notebook where you show the work?
Yeah, I resubmitted it.
Okay, ma. Because see, showing the work is more important, right, ma? That's all. Because if you cringe into that book space that you have, it's so hard, right, ma? Datri, how about you?
I put my work on the. I put the because you wanted to see some of the work on the paper. I did some of the work on the notebook.
I see. Yeah. Ayan, how about you?
I did my work on a separate sheet of paper.
Okay, but that you did not submit, right?
No, I only submitted the book answers.
Yeah, see that doesn't help. I want to see your work as well, Ayan, hereafter, okay?
Okay.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you all understand what was in the homework piece?
Yes.
Did you all understand? Did you have any questions? Did you have any questions?
I had one question.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Do you want me to bring the book as well? Vikasni, you're going to wait, okay? You have not been introduced at all properly. The way the class works is you can chat with me. You know how to chat with me?
Yes.
Okay, good. And do you know how to react? Raise your hand using the raise hand button.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, any other questions you have? Can we proceed with the class?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ayan, go ahead. What is your question?
So it was in the 2.2.4
One minute, ma.
I
I need
question.
to bring the book, ma, please. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the book with me. 2 point. What is the book? What is the exercise number? 2 point? 2.2?
2.4.
2.2.4. Nice work, Ayan. Like this, if you underline and come, it's great. 2.2.4, huh?
Yeah.
What is your question on that?
I didn't get question number I.
Yeah, tell me. I'll write it in the board. 2.2.4, he's saying. Which one, ma? All of it?
No, only I.
I. Okay, let's do the I. Ah, okay. I. Okay. The question says 88, comma 888 power 4 divide by 22, comma 222 power 4. Any thoughts, guys? Others? Vikasni, not a question to you. Don't worry at all. I am not mean to ask you a question right now. For the others, do you know how to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. If you know, go ahead, Vikasni.
Um, 4
What is it, ma?
is the answer 4?
Is the answer 4. What do you think?
Yeah.
There is a power 4. What happened to that?
Oh, sorry. I don't think I know how to do this.
No, no, you got it. You are there. There's some small thing that you missed, that's all. You knew how to do that. Okay. Okay. Did we discuss this last week, guys? A power n by b power n. I can put it together, right? A by b power n. I can do that, right? Similarly, a power, I can do that, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one, right? If I have it like that, I can put AB power n. For multiplication and division, I can do this, I told you. For addition, subtraction, we can't. So that being the case, see, this also is a power of 4. Let me put it down like this. 88,888 power 4 divided by 22222 power 4. See, both have the same powers. So what can I do? 88,888 divided by 22222 power 4. Can I do that?
Yeah.
So what is 88,888 divided by 22222? What is it?
4.
4. This becomes a 4 power 4. What is 4 power 4?
16.
4 power 4. Is it 16? 4 is repeated 4 times.
Sorry,
Go ahead,
I looked at.
Go ahead, Ananya. Go ahead, Ma. Ananya, go ahead.
Is it 64?
4 power 4. 4 is repeated 4 times and multiplied, right?
256?
Yeah, 256. Good job. Shall I move on? Vikasni, did you get it?
Yes.
What is 2 power 3, guys?
6.
8.
Oh,
8.
8.
2, 2, the base is repeated this many times and multiplied. It is 8. What is 5 power 4? Who's going to tell me? You can all chat, but let's.
625.
Good job, because 5 is repeated 4 times and multiplied. 25 times 25 is 625. How about this? Minus 1 power 2008 plus minus 1 power 2007. What is the answer, guys?
-1. Wait.
Before,
Zero.
what is it?
0.
1.
0.
Zero.
0.
Some of you have 1, some of you have 0, which is correct.
-1, I think.
What is this?
That would be +1.
+1.
How would it be positive 1?
-1.
The negative is separate. This is
Oh,
just
yeah.
1
Yeah.
power 2008. 1 power 2008 is 1, but then it's a negative 1, so it's a negative 1
Oh.
plus -1 power 2007 is what?
Negative.
Negative 1. Yeah, so what is the answer?
-2.
Negative 2. Did you guys get it?
No, with the parentheses, how is that different?
Okay, good question. -1 power 2 is what, ma? That's an even power, right? -1 times -1 is a +1. You got it?
Yes.
-1 to an odd power is what?
-1.
-1. This is -1 to an odd power. So it's a -1, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here, this one minus 1 power 2 is what, ma? Datri. 1 power 2 is 1, right? But the minus is always there. You got it?
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Mm.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Good. Yeah. Vikasni, did you follow that?
yes.
How about this? Suppose if I want to write out this is a power of 2. I want the entire thing to be written as a power of 2. How do I do it? How do I write half? Half as a power of 2. What is half as a power of 2, Karthik?
Half of the power of 2 is it 1/4?
Half as a power of 2. How do you write it as a power of 2?
1/2 to the power of 2, like my small 2 to the right of it on
Yeah,
top.
2 to the power of what is half?
To the power.
Datri, did you do the homework?
Yes.
Yeah, so half, when you write it as a power of 2, what it will be?
I think, wait. It's 2 to the power of -1.
2 to the power of -1. What is this? 8, how do I write it as a power of 2? How do I write 8 as a power of 2? 2
to
power
the
of
power
what
of
is
2
it?
three.
power of 150.
Correct. 2 power of 3 and then 50. So that multiplies and becomes 2 power of 150 and this is 2 power of -1. So what do you do? The base is the same. Exponents are different. When they are multiplied, what happens? 2 power of
149.
149.
1 plus 150. 2 power of 149. How about this? What is this? 2 power of 3 whole power of 4. What is the answer to this one, guys? That's an easy one. What is the answer? What is, you can just say the number with power. Say the number with the power, it's okay.
2 to the power of 7.
8.
2 to the power of
Wait, 2
7.
to the power of 12.
12. 2 to the power of 12. Here, power of power means you multiply. That's what we learned last week. How about this? 2 to the power of 16 divide by 8. Express it as a power of 2. How do you write it as a power of 2? Go ahead. 2 to the power of 16 divided by 8. Who can tell me? Who can work with me? 2 power of 16 is there. How do you express 8?
I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
2 to the 2 to the power of 3.
Good. So
Is-
division, but the same base. Same base is there. Same base means this number is the same.
Because it's division, you minus the exponent, so it's 2 to the power of 13.
Good job. Okay, very nice. How about 2 to the power of 20 multiply by 2 power of 19? What is this, Ananya?
2 to the power of 39.
Good job. You add. When they are multiplied, you add. How about this? 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 4. What is answer?
2 to the power of 1.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can't do that. I
Oh.
tricked you. Then what do we do, Satvika? Hey, your mom wanted to talk to me. Can we talk soon after the class?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 4 is what? What is 2 power of 5 minus 2 power of 4?
16.
I see. That's right, I think. How did you get that? Can you tell us?
Because since when you do 2 to the power of 4, wait,
You take 2 to the power of 4 out. What happens? 2 to the power of 4 times what is 2 power of 5?
times 2.
Yeah, times 2. And then 2 to the power of 4 times what is 2 to the power of 4? 1. That becomes 2 to the power of 4, 2 minus 1. That is 1 times 2 power of 4, which is 16. Do you get it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yes.
I'm not expecting you to get it. This was from last week. We are just reviewing, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. You're going to find out for me what is 2 power of 0. 2 power of minus 1 is what, Ananya? 2 power of minus 2 is what, Karthik?
Should I shout it out or should I say
Shout out, shout out. What is 2 power of
Um,
minus 2?
2 power of minus 2 is minus 4?
1 by 4. 1 by, see, negative exponent will become positive if you push it down. 1 by 2 power of 2, which is 1 by 4. What is 2 power of minus 1, Ananya?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Now, who can guess what is this? 2 power of 0. See the pattern and guess.
0.
I'll listen. I'll listen to all possible answers.
Wait.
Because me also can guess. This is new. See the pattern. What is happening in the pattern? Do the same thing and tell me.
Can I shout it out?
Yeah.
1.
Okay. I have received one answer 0. I have received one answer 1. What is the consensus?
2?
Did you see the pattern? What is happening in the pattern? 8 becomes 4. 4 becomes 2. Then what it should become?
1.
You think it's all 1? Let's try one more. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. What is 3 power of 0, guys? 3 power of minus 1 is 1 by 3. 3 power of minus 2 is 1 by 9. What comes in the question box?
1.
1.
Ah, you found out now. So this was all divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divide by 3 is a 1. Here, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 is again a 1. So anything power 0 is a 1. You all got it?
I
Yeah.
have a question.
Yeah, go
Yes.
ahead.
And so 3 to the power of 0 would basically be doing 3 times nothing.
It's not 3 times nothing, right? So see the pattern here. You were all dividing by 3. So when you divide by 3, anything power 0 becomes a 1. Does it
Is
make
there
sense?
like an equation for 3 to the power of 0 other than the pattern?
3 to the power of 0 is 1. 100 power 0 is 1. 50 power 0 is 1. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see this one. 2 to the power of 10 times 4 to the power of 20. Can you express this as a power of 2? Express as a single power of 2. Express as a single power of 2. This is from last week. Because we may not know, it's okay. Express this as a single power of 2. This is 2 power of 10. How do you express 4, guys? What is
2
4?
over 40?
2 power of 2 is 4. 2 power of 2 is 4. Then a 20. Power of power means you multiply. Okay. So now what do you do with these two? What do you do with those two?
You add the exponents.
Yeah, product property, right? Good job. This is power property. This is product property. Product property you add, power property you multiply. Ayan, are you following?
Yeah.
Good. How about this? How about this? How about this? This is a tricky question though. It's an easy question, tricky question. What is the answer to this? Yeah, anybody can do. Because we also can participate now. We just identified
Are those little
something about
circles
0 power.
0?
What is it?
Are those little circles 0?
Yeah, little circles are all 0.
Is it 1?
I won't tell you. You try guessing. We did discuss something about this. You're going to figure out everything if I say how will that work. Done? Send in chat, send in chat. This time I want to see how many of you get it. I have one answer. Let me see that one answer. Good job. Satvika. Retry Satvika. That's correct, Datri. You have to be slow. Simply you can't answer 0 and 1. Put all the numbers. You have a 4 there, then a power of 0. Then there is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, you have 4a, power 0. Good job, Datri. Satvika. Datri, that's not right. Datri, that's not right. Same. Satvika, that's not right. Ananya, that's right. Can you explain? Go ahead.
Okay, so can I draw on the board?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
So there's 4 and 0. So the A and the 0 would make 0 or 1 because A can be any number.
Yeah, A can be any number. Anything power 0 is a 1. This turns out to be a 1. This one?
And so 1 times 4 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
But when you do 4 and A in parentheses, that will equal to any number.
Correct.
Because A we don't know.
Uh-huh.
And then with the 0, that would also become 1.
Yeah, because anything power 0 is a 1. Good job.
And then together that would make 4 as the total.
Vikasni, are you following this one?
Yeah.
This one you follow. Okay, good. How about this? What is half power of minus 1? The negative exponent is always dangerous. Okay. So, as I said, right, if you have a common power, you can write it out as 1 power of minus 1 by 2 power of minus 1. The negative powers go when you push it to the numerator and denominator. When a negative power is in the denominator, you push it up to make it a positive power. When it is in the numerator, you push it down to make it a positive power. So what do you do here? Come on, guys.
Would you just exchange them?
Is
So
it two?
Correct. So what do you do?
one.
Correct. So what happens?
Do we
Correct.
shout the answer?
Yeah, shout out. It's okay. We're all discussing.
2.
Is it two?
2. 2 power of minus 1 goes up to become a positive exponent. 1 power of minus 1 comes down to become a positive exponent. So basically it is 2 by 1, which is 2. Karthik, did you follow?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to tell me what is this, guys. 56 divided by 2 power of minus 3. You're going to tell me what is the answer in chat. And you know what? Consider x and y are non-zero numbers. It can be any number, okay? It can be non-zero numbers. Tell me what happens to this one. Come on, guys. You're going to express it as a simplified form. This is question number 1. This is question number 2.
For the second one, can it be like any number? Do we just fill it in? Or do we keep it X and Y?
Which one, ma?
Number 2.
Number 2, you keep it as x and y, but x and y should be only x and y with with their powers. That's what is simplifying.
Okay.
Ayan, that's right, Ayan. Number 1 is right. Dhatri, that's incorrect, ma.
Okay.
Ah. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Dhatri, I feel yours is right. Sorry, Dhatri. Wait, let me check. Oh, wow. Satvika and Dhatri, you got it right. Somebody got it wrong, though. Ayan, you got it wrong. You got it wrong, Ayan. Ayan, yours was incorrect. Can I help you?
Yeah.
So, the first one, guys. First one is 56. divide by, how do you take out the negative power?
Switcher.
2 power of 3. 2 power of 3 is 8. So 56 divided by 1 by 8 is what? 56 times 8. Which is what, Datri? What was your answer, ma? 448, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Now this one, how did you guys do? You can combine x and x. You can combine y and y. They're all multiplied, right? So when you combine, since the base is the same, you have to add your exponents. So what would happen? This would result in x power of what?
3.
3.
power
Y
three.
power of
3.
Y power of
3. Vikasni, did you follow?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Shall we try this one? How about this? 3 power of minus 1 times 3 power of minus 2 is what, guys? 3 power, this is question number 3.
Is my answer correct? Miss Priya?
I'll check. That's right. But Ayan, you should never answer with negative exponents. The negative exponent should go when you send the answer to me. Karthik, that's right. Satvika, that's right. Datri, that's right. Ananya, you have to remove the negative exponent and send the answer, ma. Vikasni, can I help you or you want to do?
Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. See, here there is multiplication and the base is the same, right? The number 3 is the base here. Exponent is called the minus 1 is called the exponent, minus 2 is called the exponent. The base is the same when they're multiplied together. You know, there is a property. Property in the sense there is a rule that you can add the exponents. So what should be the answer? The base is the same. You can add the exponents. What will be the exponent? You're going to add these two. What is minus 1 plus minus 2? Oh, okay. Vikasni, do you know negative?
One.
Okay, do you know negative numbers now?
A little.
A little. Okay, that's okay. So minus 1, minus 2. That's okay. Okay, we will go, we'll see what to do. Karthik, what is minus 1, minus 2?
Minus 1 minus 2 is
What is minus 1, minus 2?
minus 3.
Good. Minus 3. Good job. But you cannot answer with a negative exponent, right? So 3 power of minus 3 divided by 1 is 3 power of minus 3. So you push it down. 1 by 3 power of 3. What is 3 power of 3? 1 by 27 is your answer. Make sense? Okay,
Yes.
how about
Yeah.
this? How about this? 3 power of 6 times 3 power of minus 4. What is the answer, guys? Quick. Vikasni, it's a common mistake, but what was the with the power you got? That's right, Datri. That's right. Satvik Ayan, that's right. So here, this becomes 3 power of 2. This is 3 power of 2. It is 3 repeated 2 times. 3 repeated exponent number of times and multiplied. What is the answer, Vikasni? 9. Good job. Okay, now. Are you guys getting familiarized with this? How about this? 1 by minus 3 power minus 2. How about that? And can you all tell me, how about this? Can you simplify this? What is your answer? Question number 1, question number 2. Try, guys. Only when you do all of the homework problems, it is going to become easy. Otherwise, it will be hard only.
Is number 1 correct for me?
I'll check, Ma. Good job, Datri. Good job, Ayan, correct. Good job, Satvik, on the first one. Good job. Datri, the first problem is incorrect, Ma. I don't know. You've given me 2 answers. I don't know which one to believe. That's correct, Vikasni.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
Mine's
what about my second one?
First one is correct, Ananya. Oh, second one? Oh. The power, how did it jump into the denominator, Sathika? Power
Oh,
jumped into the
wait.
denominator?
I did it as
Yeah, you have to
multiplication.
do that sanity check, right? Before you tell me the answer.
Yeah. So it's this one.
Miss Priya.
Yes.
What do you mean by that? I gave you 2 answers.
You have written 2 answers.
Oh, it's just from my answer is the second one with the number 1 on it.
You can shout out. What is your answer?
1 by 9.
1 by 9 is incorrect.
Okay.
Why? You tell me. There's a negative exponent, right? First, remove that.
Let me.
I don't understand number 2.
You
Wait,
can
is
split
it
it,
not?
right? You can split it, right, Ma?
For number 1, is it 9?
That's right. Can you try, Ma? Satvika. But where did the power disappear? First, you need to remove the negative power. Karthik, how did the power become the numerator? You have to be very, what to say? You have to be very fair, right? Here, what happens? You're going to remove the negative power. So the minus 3 is there, okay? But the negative power goes and becomes a 2 if it goes up. Okay. Now, what is minus 3 power 2? Minus 3 is repeated 2 times. Minus 3 is repeated 2 times. So that is a 9. Second one, you can split it. I told you, right? When it is in division and there is a common power, 1 power of minus n by a power of minus n. But negative powers disappear when you push them down and up. So this becomes a power of n This becomes a power of n divided by 1 power of n. What is 1 power of n? 1 power anything is 1. Answer is a power of n. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a little tricky, right, guys? Okay, by the way, did I give you that assignment on integers, which we discussed? I told you, right? Each page will give you one answer. Did I give that to you?
The puzzles?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
I sincerely thought I didn't do, but let me quickly check then. So how was it, guys? I never discussed that homework with you guys. How was it?
Fine.
Fine.
It took some time.
Yeah, it took some time.
Yeah,
It's just
it will take time, ma. I want to discuss that and make sure. Oh, do the puzzles. Okay. I didn't check that. Oh my goodness. But you know what? Many of you have not done it. Karthik, you didn't do that?
I didn't like most of them, but some of them I got confused on, so I just kind of left them.
But you didn't bring, right? It's important that you bring it back and answer those questions, right?
Yeah.
Datri, you did that, right, ma?
Yeah, I finished all of them.
See, that's a good one. Did you enjoy doing that?
There's 12 puzzles. The problems are fine, but just took time writing letter to letter. Like the answer to the.
I see.
Did I send you mine?
Yeah, you did, Ayan. Did you get to see the answers for everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Ananya, did you enjoy doing it or what?
yeah.
Did you understand how to do?
Yes.
So you read each of the questions, right? Okay. So I'm going to review that as well because I want to know where are we on integers as well. That's far more important to me. Okay. For some reason, I had not seen that. Okay. Now, how about this, guys? -2 plus -5. What is that, guys? Vikasni, wait, ma. You may not know this again, but
Do we
that's
shout
okay.
it out or put it in the chat?
You can shout. I'll call out maybe. Satrika, do you know what is this?
Do you want me to shout it out?
Yeah, shout it out, please.
Um, -7.
-7. Good job. How about -5, -4? Ananya. Datri, go ahead with this.
-1.
-9.
-9. Good job. Because you're aware of negative numbers?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay. How about Datri? -5 power 3?
I'm doing it.
Okay. How about -15 by -3? What is it, Ayan? -15 by -3.
5.
I've got my answer for mine.
Yes.
Can I
What
say
is
it?
it?
-125.
Good job, ma. How about -20 by 4, Ananya?
-5.
-5. Good job, guys. How about +5 minus -6? Karthik, do you want to say the answer?
Wait, what? Wait, what's the +5?
+5, -6.
It's 11.
Good job, guys. You all seem to be very good with this. Very nice. Okay. Vikasni, I just want to understand this from you. How about this? Do you know how to do this, ma?
Is it
-4. I'll help you. -4. What happens? Two operators cannot come together. What happens there?
it becomes a plus?
Yes. So what is the answer to this one?
-2.
Yeah. Good job, lady. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. Did I talk to you about real numbers, real number system? I just wanted to
Yes,
touch on
that was my
okay.
yes.
We did, right?
My first class you talked
Yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
Counting numbers. Counting numbers start with 1, 2, 3, and then there's a set of whole numbers which include 0 and all of the counting numbers. This we did, right, guys, in the first class?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you have integers, which contains all the whole numbers and counting numbers plus the negative numbers. Negative whole numbers means -1, -2, -3, all that stuff. And then you have rational numbers, which include all of the fractions.
What's the group in the middle?
This is the counting numbers.
Oh.
So rational numbers, which include p by q, that also includes integers, whole numbers, counting numbers. However, it also additionally includes fractions or decimals that have a proper repetitive pattern. Meaning, if you know what digits repeat after the decimal, then that becomes rational numbers. If you don't know, there are certain decimals for whom you don't know what is the next digit that's going to come. That is irrational, insane numbers. They are irrational numbers. Examples include root 2, root 3, root 5, pi. All these are irrational numbers. The whole set of rational and irrational is called what? Those of you who were there in the first class should say.
Real number.
Real numbers. Good job. The whole set of rational and irrational numbers is called the real numbers. Now, the question comes, if I pick up a number like -3, what type of number is -3? You have to go to the innermost circle it belongs to. -3 is what type of a number?
Integers.
Integers. Suppose if I give you 12 by 4, what type of a number is this?
Counting number.
You have to go to the innermost number. It's not just a fraction. It is 3. 3 can be a whole number, 3 can be a rational number, 3 can be a counting number, but you have to go to the innermost circle.
So it can be all three?
No, but that's why I'm saying you have to be more specific. It's a counting number. You got it?
Wait, Miss Priya?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so if it was like 13 by 4, it would have been a rational number, right?
13 by 4 is definitely a rational number.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 1 by 17?
Rational.
A rational number.
Rational.
Good job. Yep. How about this? 1 divided by 5 power of -2. I'm coming back to our class. 1 divided by 5 power of -2. What is it? You can take your time. Shall I switch on the light at my end? I am in utter dark.
Counting number.
No, I'm not asking you to take
She's asking for an answer.
Tell me the answer. I said I'm coming back to this class.
Free shout out.
Yeah, Ma, you can shout out.
25.
You think it's 25? Let's see what the others get.
I don't get this.
I also think it's 25.
I also think it's 25. That's what I got.
Brilliant, guys. I'm so cold in here. Go ahead. What is 1 divided by 5 power of -2?
First, you have to do the exponent.
25.
25.
Good job. How did you get that?
First, you do the exponents, and then since you have a -2, you have to put that on the denominator. So you get 1 by 25.
So first remove this. negative exponent by putting 1 by 5 power of 2.
25.
Yeah. So that 5 power of 2 is 25. 1 divided by 1 by 25. You all know how to divide fractions, right? In 5th grade. 1 multiply. So what happens to that? 1 multiply by 25 by 1. Answer is 25. Vikasni, did you follow, ma?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I move on?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? 1 by 4 power minus 3 times 8 power of minus 2. This is a little complicated. Take your time. Express everything as a power of 2. Express everything as a power of 2. Take your time. But send the answer in chat. Don't shout out. I want to see how many of you get it.
I send you my answer. Am I correct?
I send you my answer.
Okay, I think each of you should work it out on the board, I feel. I'm going to wait for more answers. I didn't get the right answer. I didn't get the answer. You're all going to work it out again. Let me know. Really, I'm waiting for some good answer. Let's see.
I'm a little confused on this.
You're a little confused on what, ma'am. I'll help you.
Did I do it? I put the answer.
I don't understand this.
Please, you can do it. You can separately do each of them and then multiply and see.
Miss Priya?
Yeah, ma?
You said to put in like the power 2. I put it, but should I simplify it?
Definitely yes.
Simplify to like the whole number?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Wait, but is my answer correct?
Your answer is almost right. Your answer is almost right. There's a
Mine?
minor mistake is what I'm thinking, Vikasni's. Datri, I'll check yours, ma. No, your answer is incorrect, ma. How did you do Datri? Can you do it on the board?
This is what I thought you would.
Yeah, ma. Go ahead. It's okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, ma.
Oh, wait, I'm trying to put the pen.
Yeah.
So you would do like simplify this to 4 to the power of 3
Yeah, correct. That's 4 to the power of 3. Good job. Then
times, and then this would be one a to the power of 2, and to make it
good job.
everything to the power of 2, this would be 2 to the power of 6.
Which one will be 2 to the power of 6?
For
Yeah. Correct.
Times 1 to the power of
1 by 2 to the power of?
6.
6, ah?
Wait. Yeah, I think.
No. See, that's why, see, Datri, you're skipping steps. That's why you're missing. The thing is, if you had written this as write 4 as 2 power of 2 whole power of 3, then you won't make mistakes. You're skipping that.
Okay.
Here, please don't write it directly. Please be slow. 8 is what? 2 power of 4 whole power of 2. If you do this, you won't make a mistake. That's why Datri, you showing me really helps. This becomes 2 power of 6 times 1 by 2 power of 8. What is the answer, guys, here? 2 power of 6 minus 8. Division, right? 2 power of minus 2. What is 2 power of minus 2? 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Vikasni, did you understand where you made the mistake? Everything was right, excluding it was a minus 2.
Yes.
Yeah. Ayan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one. How about this? A divided by a power of minus 4. Evaluate when a equal to 2. You just give me the final answer.
What number is this question?
What number is this question?
Like, what number should we write?
Yeah, you can put 5.
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
I'll check now. Hmm. Datri, is that right? I doubt, ma.
I saw my answer.
Datri, you're almost right, but you're missing something. Can you check?
Yeah, I'll check.
Can you check my answer?
Karthik, very good job. Ayan, you're almost right, but made a small mistake. Can you recheck? It's not that you didn't understand, but you made a mistake in the last step. Ananya, that's not right, ma. Satvika, that's right. Did you check it, Vikasni? Did you get it, Datri?
Just checking.
I think I got it.
Okay, go ahead and send it to me.
I already sent it.
Yes, perfect. Ayan, see, the more you practice, the easier it is, right, Ayan?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Good job. Okay, I want to give you one more and conclude with that. Let's see. I'm going to give you this. Minus 2x power of 3 minus 3x squared. When x equal to minus 4, what is the value of this expression? Evaluate this when x equal to minus 4. Can you do that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. For those of you who didn't get this, right? This is a divided by 1 by a power of 4. First, remove the negative exponent. Then you can't divide fractions, right? A by 1 times a power of 4 by 1. Now, this is multiplying a power of 1 and a power of 4, which is a power of 5. When a equal to 2, plug that in. 2 power of 5 is a 32. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the second question is this. What was that? Minus 2x cube minus 3x square. Plug in x equal to minus 4. Shall I help out?
I think I'm getting it.
You're getting it. That's good. Minus
Yeah.
2 times minus 4 power 3 minus 3 times minus 4 power 2.
I send you my answer.
Oh, good job. Let me see. Ayan. Not really. Check again, Ayan.
What's the question number for that? For the second one. Miss Priya?
Second number 1. Number is number 2, ma. I have written a question number. Did you see
Oh,
that?
sorry.
No problem, ma. It's clear, right, ma? I'll wait for you guys to do. I'm checking Karthik.
I saw my answer.
Ananya, that's right. Ananya, you can log off. Good job, ma. Good job. But please do all the exercise problems in 2.4 and all the review problems as well in chapter 2.
Okay.
All the review
What,
problems.
what page is that?
Review problems is in page number 89. And then 2.4 exercise is in page number 88.
So 2.4, not 2.3, because we didn't do
No,
2.3.
you have to finish 2.3, 2.4. 2.3, 2.4 you can finish because last week itself we covered a little bit of it. If you don't know, if you're stuck with something, you can always bring back. It's not like, hey, you need to finish, but you have to be able to try out everything before you come to class. So you have to do, let me check quickly. This is AOPS pre-algebra. So you have to complete 2.3, 2.4, and then the review problems. Exercise 2.3, exercise 2.4, and all the review problems in chapter 2. Make sense, ma? Whatever
Yeah.
you did not know does not matter. You have to bring it to class. Make
Okay,
sense?
so if I
Are you gonna post that in Google Classroom?
I already put it out, Ryan.
if
Okay.
I post that, if I have a question on something, do I like email you?
If you have a question on something, why don't you bring it to the classroom next week? We can go over every question, almost several of the questions you have.
Okay.
Does that do good?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. You can definitely bring it to next class. You can circle that and bring it to next class. And do you have the solutions with you? Do you have the solutions with you, Ananya?
What does that mean? I can't like hear you.
Solutions manual.
Yeah, my mom does.
So that is so important. If you don't know something, you can definitely refer to that. But at the same time, when I give you another problem, you should be able to reproduce the solution. That's all.
Okay.
See what I mean? You can definitely don't abuse your solution manual. Okay, learning from it is okay. Sometimes it does your intuition might not meaning it doesn't come that easily. So it's okay to see, but at the same time, don't keep referring to every problem. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, to evaluate this, -2.
I got my answer. Am I correct?
Power 3 -3 times -4 power 2. What is -4 power 2? 16 times 3 minus, here it is. What is this? 16 times 4, 64 times 2, 128, right? But again, -4 power 3 is minus 4, -4 times -4 times -4. So 16 times -4 is -64 times 2 is times -2 is plus 128. 128 minus 48. What is the answer, guys? 8. Any questions?
No.
You know what I would have done? Left to me, I would have done like this. Here itself, I would have taken x square common. When I take x square common, this becomes -2x. See, you took x square out of this. What remains? -2x remains. Here you took x square, so -3 remains. Now plug in the values. It's so easy. -4 square is 16. -2x is what? If you plug in -4 here, this becomes 8 -3. So it is 16 times 5 is 80. I would have done like this. Taking out common, the reverse of distributive property is a treasure. Meaning, given two terms, you're taking whatever is common and then writing out the rest of the expression using the reverse of distributive property. That's the very nice way of doing it. The easier way is you just plug in. Can we stop here, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Karthik, are you following Karthik?
Yes.
Good. I'll stop here, guys. See you all next week. Do the problems and come. We'll write another test. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Next week, maybe I want to give you some work with respect to your grade 6. Okay, not in this book. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Bye, guys. Sarthik,
Bye.
talk to your mom now.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Do you want her to call you?
Bye.
I can talk to her right now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
do I still attend the Thursday and Sunday class this week?
Which class are you more comfortable with, ma? I feel like
I didn't get to
I
try
have.
the Sunday class this week.
Why?
I was out.
You were out. Can you try that this week?
The Sunday one.
Sunday one, Sunday
Like
one.
you told me to do the Sunday and Thursday. I did the Thursday, but on Sunday I
Yeah,
was out.
Thursday I know. Thursday I know, but I didn't ask you for Sunday, right? Did I ask you for Sunday?
Yeah, you asked me for Sunday too.
I don't remember.
Sunday 7:05.
Yeah, Sunday. Yes. That might have worked. Maybe this week will you try?
Yeah, I'll try the Sunday one. Wait, do I still come to the Thursday one this week?
No, not really, ma. That doesn't fit you at all.
So just come to the Sunday one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel free to come to the Sunday one. Thursday doesn't work, ma. What do you think, Datri?
It's okay. If I start to get used to it, I'll catch up.
You'll catch up. But it's a level up, ma. Let's not do that, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But one another option is you can do, are you free on Tuesdays? That might be a little easier for you. Come on the Tuesday.
Tuesdays, I have a class right before it, so I won't be able to make it.
Oh, okay. Then you have to try the Sunday.
Yeah, because on Tuesday I'm coming back to my class at 7:30.
Sure, ma. Then come on the Tuesday.
Wait, no.
Sunday.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma. Bye.
How do
Hi,
I
Vika.
access my homework?
Homework comes in Google Classroom, ma. Okay, I have not given you access to anything. We just wanted to see fit, right? I have not given you access to anything yet, ma.